Hey guys, this is Harshita and welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna see how to make these KFC style chicken popcorn at home. So these are the ingredients required for this recipe, very simple ingredients. Now without further ado, let's get started. So in a mixing bowl, take 250 grams of boneless chicken. To this add 1 egg, add 1/4 spoon of turmeric powder, half a spoon of red chilli powder, 1/4 spoon of pepper powder, half a spoon of salt, half a spoon of oregano, add about half a spoon of soya sauce, half a spoon of ginger garlic paste, and juice of half a lemon, or you can use like 1 spoon of vinegar too. Now give it a good mix. To this add 2 spoons of maida and mix it well. You can adjust the salt as per your requirement. Now I'm going to refrigerate this for about 30 minutes. So after 30 minutes, we are going to coat the marinated chicken with some breadcrumbs. So if you don't have breadcrumbs, you can use rusk or cornflakes, and you can grind them to make a fine powder like this. Take a few pieces and coat them well with the breadcrumbs. As you can see, I've already made a few, so repeat the same with the rest. Now I'm gonna refrigerate them for about 10 minutes. So meanwhile, heat some oil for deep fry and add a few pieces slowly. So fry them on low to medium flame, do not keep it on high, and you have to fry them until they're golden brown, until they look something like this. So repeat the same with the rest. So yeah, that's it. It's a super simple recipe and it tastes amazing. It's the best evening non-vegetarian snacks you could have. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to hit the bell button. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.